Hi everyone, Eddie back again. I'm just going to show you how to finish your install of Connected Components Workbench. At this point, we have enabled .NET Framework 3.5 and we've created an account with Rockwell, and we have downloaded the CCW free installation software. So looking at my computer, I'm just going to go into my files, and this is just coming off a fresh restart. And I want to go to this PC and just go into my C drive. And now there should be a folder called RA, which stands for Rockwell Automation. It's possible you put it somewhere else, but if you just follow the standard procedure, this is how they set you up. They give you a new folder right on the C drive, and you should see these three guys: CCW install DVD part 1, part 2, and part 3. You really just need to worry about part 1. You'll double click, and that is it's an application, but also kind of acts as like a zip file. And while it's downloading, with any luck, here we are. We're just going to hit extract, and it'll work. And I just want to say, as this is all happening, with any luck, this is going to go really smoothly the first time, especially if you have .NET Framework configured ahead of time. This makes life much easier. Sometimes life is not ideal, and it takes 2, sometimes even 3 tries to get this to download successfully. It can be pretty long, especially if you don't have a high-powered computer. It could take the better part of a day. So after we have that all extracted, we'll see there's just this DVD. There's no part 1, part 2, part 3, just this folder. So I'm going to double click. And towards the bottom, I should see this setup. I believe you can also use common install, but I like setup. And we're just going to click yes. And it'll bring up the setup page. And we're going to just do install now. There are things you can customize if you like. And at this point, it should be good to go. And it might take about an hour, sometimes more, depending on your computer. But by the end of it, we should have Connected Components Workbench installed. So I'm going to go ahead and pause the video. Again, sometimes this can be a tedious process. Sometimes you need to just restart more than once. You might have to, sometimes you have to reboot your computer. It'll usually tell you what it wants. And if you continuously struggle with it, you can actually open a ticket with Rockwell Automation using your account that you created and ask them for help directly. And they will be happy to give it because you are now one of their customers, even though you're just using the free software. So I'm going to go ahead and actually end this video here. Once I get this installed, I'll make a final video showing what it should look like, and that should wrap up your CCW install process.